Veronica Campbell-Brown announces pregnancy.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Jamaican sprint star Veronica Campbell-Brown has announced that she is pregnant. The 36-year-old Olympic champion revealed via Instagram that she and her husband, Omar Brown, are expecting their first child. The pictures posted showing a very pregnant Brown were captioned as follows: "Our lives will soon change forever. We look forward to parenthood and all the joys and challenges that come with it. We pray for strength and wisdom to be the best parents possible." The 2004 and 2008 Olympic 200-meter champion also hinted that she may retire as she focuses on her family. "At this moment, I am uncertain if I will return to competition, as the main focus is to welcome our baby and to provide the best environment filled with love, warmth, and care," she added. Campbell-Brown's announcement has been met with thousands of congratulatory messages and well wishes.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.